how to transfer money from Skrill to PayPal. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can transfer money from Skrill to PayPal, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you have some money in your Skrill account, you can go to skrill.com and maybe you want to transfer this to your PayPal account. Remember that there isn't actually a direct way to directly transfer to your PayPal account, but there are still some other things that you can do, and that is that you know that you can actually transfer from your Skrill to your bank account. So first thing you're going to do is tap the send and send the money to your bank account, and from bank account you load it on PayPal. Yes, that's simply how it works. So first you send from Skrill to your bank account, and from your bank account you open it in your PayPal account. So just go to skrill.com and just select get started option. Make sure to enter your registration, enter your card details and load the money. After you've done that, you can simply open up a new tab, and in the new tab you can simply go to paypal.com. Once you go to paypal.com, you can log into your PayPal account and load the money on PayPal from your bank account. This way you can transfer money from Skrill to PayPal. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.